Hello everyone. For number 22, we have a piecewise function that we're given. In other words, separated into two separate graphs. And we want to know kind of what is the piecewise function. In other words, they give us the graph. We want to find the equations that model it. And starting off, I would start on the left-hand side here. You can see this kind of looks like a quadratic. It is a quadratic, as a matter of fact. If we look through all four choices, notice all four choices say the exact same thing. So is this left-hand side of the graph going to have any kind of bearing on our answer? No. All four say literally the same thing, the same x is less than 1, x is less than 1, because notice you have an open circle there. So really what the answer is going to come down to is this component of the piecewise. Okay, so we want to try to see which linear, it's a straight line, function is best modeled there. First, it's beginning at 1 with an open circle, so it doesn't really help us, but we can see they all say x is greater than 1. We can start by finding, or if we think about the model of the linear function, we have some slope and some y-intercept that we want to match as well. We can't see the y-intercept directly just yet, but we can count the slope. So between consecutive nice points, by nice points where it hits at a nice area on the graph, we're going up 1 and over 2. Up 1 and over 2. So what's the slope? If we go up 1, it's positive 1, and over 2, that tells us a denominator of 1/2. So just by that component alone, we arrive at our answer, which would be choice 2. We have a correct slope of 1/2. No other graphs have that slope. This one has a slope of 1, which obviously we don't have. This one has a slope of 2, which would be up 2 over 1, which we don't have. And choice 4, which I guess was the closest one, 3/2, which means up 3 over 2. Closest meaning at least it was a fraction. But again, not what we're looking for. And even the y-intercept you can kind of eyeball here. If we were to continue this line, you can kind of see it should have a y-intercept around, first of all, it's positive, which the rest of them were negative, around between 0 and 1, so the 1/2 makes contextual sense there. So choice 2 is our correct answer for number 22. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this helped.